Imagine waking up to a home that anticipates your needs. Your IoT-enabled alarm clock synchronizes with your coffee maker, brewing your favorite blend to perfection. As you step into the shower, sensors adjust the water temperature precisely to your liking. Meanwhile, your smart refrigerator takes inventory and automatically adds missing items to your grocery list. Isn't it amazing? Hey, tech enthusiasts, welcome back to Trivia Trailblazer, your ultimate tech destination. Today, we're diving into the top 6 tech trends of 2024. From AI's evolution to 3D printed organs, we've got the scoop. Hit subscribe and let's explore the future together. Number 6, artificial intelligence advancements. In this awe-inspiring future, AI's prowess knows no bounds. Industries worldwide eagerly embrace its potential, integrating AI across diverse sectors. Healthcare experiences a remarkable transformation as AI analyzes vast amounts of data, enabling personalized treatments, early disease detection, and improved patient care. Finance witnesses AI's genius in action with its algorithms predicting market trends with astonishing accuracy and combating fraudulent activities. But that's not all. AI's mastery of natural language processing allows for dynamic conversations with chatbots and virtual assistants, providing unparalleled support and understanding. These digital companions anticipate our needs, enhancing our daily interactions and making our lives effortlessly efficient. As the curtains rise on the grand stage of 2024, AI takes its rightful place as a prominent protagonist, shaping the future with ingenuity and boundless potential. Number 5, 5G and beyond. A world where buffering becomes a thing of the past, and streaming high-definition content is instantaneous with 5G's lightning-fast speeds. Downloading movies, music, and large files is a breeze, opening up a world of seamless entertainment and instant access to information. Beyond speed, 5G heralds the era of ultra-low latency. Picture a surgeon remotely performing a delicate surgery with precision, thanks to the real-time responsiveness of 5G networks. Autonomous vehicles navigate congested city streets, exchanging information with other vehicles and traffic systems in milliseconds, ensuring safer and more efficient journeys. But the power of 5G extends far beyond personal convenience. It fuels the growth of smart cities where sensors and devices communicate effortlessly to optimize energy usage, manage waste, and enhance public safety. From intelligent traffic management to efficient resource allocation, 5G enables a sustainable and interconnected urban future. Number 4, blockchain innovation. Imagine a world where transactions are transparent, secure, and tamper-proof. Blockchain, with its decentralized nature, eliminates the need for intermediaries and ensures the integrity of data. Financial institutions embrace this technology, enabling faster and more secure cross-border payments while reducing costs and eliminating fraud. But the impact of blockchain extends far beyond finance. Supply chains become transparent as blockchain enables tracking and verifying the origin and authenticity of products. From food safety to luxury goods, consumers gain confidence in the products they purchase, while businesses optimize their operations and enhance sustainability. Blockchain's potential in healthcare is equally awe-inspiring. Patient records become immutable, accessible securely and seamlessly across healthcare providers. Medical research leaps forward as data is shared securely, accelerating discoveries and improving patient outcomes. Furthermore, blockchain-powered smart contracts streamline administrative processes, automating agreements and eliminating intermediaries in areas such as real estate, insurance, and intellectual property. Number 3, extended reality or XR. Imagine stepping into a virtual world that feels so real you forget it's not. Virtual reality immerses you in a digital realm where you can explore fantastical landscapes, play games, or even attend virtual meetings and conferences. With VR, you can visit places you've never been, interact with virtual objects, and engage in experiences that push the boundaries of imagination. But XR doesn't stop at virtual worlds. It also enriches our reality through augmented reality, AR, and mixed reality, MR. AR overlays digital information onto our physical environment, enhancing our daily lives from interactive navigation to educational apps that bring textbooks to life. AR seamlessly blends the virtual and the real, unlocking a world of possibility. Esther takes it a step further, seamlessly integrating virtual objects into our physical surroundings. Picture wearing smart glasses that project holograms, allowing you to manipulate and interact with virtual elements while still perceiving the real world. Emster empowers professionals, enabling remote collaboration, complex simulation, and hands-on training in various fields from engineering to medicine. Number 2, edge computing. It's a network where data is processed and analyzed at the edge of the network, right where it's generated. With edge computing, the latency and bandwidth constraints of traditional cloud computing are minimized. This means faster response times, real-time analytics, and reduced dependency on centralized data servers. In this new era, industries are being transformed. Autonomous vehicles rely on edge computing to make split-second decisions, enhancing safety and efficiency on the roads. Smart cities leverage edge computing to optimize traffic management, reduce energy consumption, and enable responsive public services. The Internet of Things flourishes with the power of edge computing. Connected devices, sensors, and wearables generate vast amounts of data, which can now be processed and analyzed on-site. The healthcare industry embraces the potential of edge computing as medical devices and wearables collect and process patient data in real time. Number 1. 3D printed bodies. Imagine a world where organs can be created on demand and customized to fit the unique needs of each patient. With 3D printing, this vision becomes a reality. Using a patient's cells or biocompatible materials, scientists and medical professionals can fabricate organs layer by layer, replicating the intricate structures and functionality of the human body. The impact of 3D printed organs is immense. Patients awaiting organ transplants will no longer face the daunting challenge of finding a suitable donor. Instead, organs can be created specifically for them, drastically reducing wait times and increasing the likelihood of successful transplants. This breakthrough technology has the potential to save countless lives and revolutionize the field of transplantation. But the benefits extend beyond organ transplantation. 3D printed organs can be used for research purposes, allowing scientists to study diseases, test new drugs, and develop personalized treatment plans. That's it, mates! Thanks for tuning in to today's tech journey with Trivia Trailblazer. We hope you enjoyed exploring the cutting-edge technology trends set to shape our future. Don't forget to smash that like button if you found this video informative. Remember, the tech world is ever evolving, so stay curious, stay informed, and keep those notifications on for our next deep dive into the world of innovation. Feel free to leave your thoughts, comments, or suggestions down below. Your feedback drives us to bring you more mind-blowing content. Until next time, keep embracing the possibilities of tech, and we'll catch you in our next adventure through the digital frontier. Stay geeky, stay inspired. Bye, take care. Thanks for watching.